Good morning, everybody. It's early in the morning, day 18. Good morning, Kat.
Good morning, everyone. I'm actually ordering the kitchen from IKEA. So if you haven't worked with IKEA before, you can learn, number one, but we're very, very fast when it comes to installing and also designing the kitchen. So Steve designs it. I tweak it a little bit towards what we want for the home, and then we order it online, as you can see, especially with COVID. The kitchen comes in like 2 to 3 days. You're not waiting 4 to 6 weeks for custom cabinetry. Plus, when you're doing a flip house, you want to make sure that you're not overspending, as always.
And it's about a third of the cost. So
Exactly.
stay tuned.
Good morning, everybody. We are on day 18. Say hi.
Good morning. What's up?
He's drinking his agua, I think.
Agua.
So thank you to COVID-19. We have to wait in line to be serviced through the door 10 feet apart to pick up our Rona order. So we just actually tried to go to the job site, but there's a huge accident. So two accidents. So we just tried to revert back to pick up some materials and wait out the traffic. So stay tuned, guys. This is what you have to do to get things done. And you have to have a lot of patience with COVID-19. There's no doubt about that.
Okay, it is 9:38 in the morning on day 18. We are at the second Rona because I don't know what's happening, but a lot of the products available in the stores are not getting replenished due to coronavirus, obviously affecting the deliveries and everything else. So the store that we use, Aaron Mills, shout out to Aaron Mills, they take care of us, but obviously they didn't have everything. And as it turns out now, it's starting the beginning of a snowstorm that they're calling for here in Canada. So it's just turning out to be a lovely day. All of the stuff that we have in the back of the truck with Jake there is getting snowed on. And we can't get to the job site because unfortunately there was an accident this morning that shut down both sides of the highway just before the Burlington Bridge to get over the water. So stay tuned for what we do for the rest of the day.
What's up, guys? Day 18. It's Jake.
Steve.
From GTA Property Partners. Obviously, you can see we have a blizzard out here. So we had a bunch of circumstances today. We're not going to be driving to the site. We had to go to a couple Ronas to pick up material, and then obviously the highways got shut down because there was an unfortunate huge accident that took the lives of 2 people. So we're going to stay in and do a workout and still be productive. So stay tuned, guys.
GTA Property Partners. When Mother Nature sends you a blizzard,
No days off.
no days off. Get it up, brother.
Yeah. if you get to 220 pounds? Because I'm at 200 right now.
I would be 18.
That causes inflammation. That scar tissue is protein in the body. Stretch marks are protein. These can be reversed with the enzymes. I've noticed already a substantial difference with my stretch marks here, on my lats, here, taking enzymes on empty stomach, because it breaks down all of the stuff that's undigested. Most people in the fitness industry have been told to eat 4, 5, 6 meals a day. Our parents ate twice or 3 times a day, and they had balance. They fasted for 12 hours, maybe 16, ate for like 8 hours. Point being is, when you start eating in an inhumane way, you're releasing so many enzymes that the body starts depleting that pool, and you don't have enough to actually break down the undigested proteins when you're fasting, because your body is constantly bombarded. Humans aren't intended to eat 6 meals a day like ruminants. Humans never did.